Okay, so I got my first real miner. My first one, alright? Not the last, definitely not the last. Check this out, check this bad boy. I just record myself.
I just got my first freaking real miner from Just Miner from Jingle mining. Alright, check this out. First real miner. Oh yeah! Right here.
Alright, so you hear that, yeah? Jingle mining, alright? I met these guys, alright? Do you know what's the best stuff? I met them in Dubai and I did a full interview here, but I some kind of forgot to post. I upload, but I never publish. So all that data then, what was few months ago, you see it's unlisted. I never listed. It's not real. So it's pretty much, you know. So here you are. That's me with Jingle mining. Now check this out. This lady right here, all right, Lillian. I will give you her information. If you want to buy any miner from Jingle mining, okay, you get the biggest discount right there. You want to mine Aleph, Kaspa, Ethereum Classic, and so many different tokens. And the best stuff, it's coming shipping time. It's only took till to UK from their place, China. I think they ship from Hong Kong or China. Don't get me wrong, I think it's China. China to UK take 5 days. 4 days, I think, 4 or 5. They send by DHL, and it's coming so fast, all right? So that is crazy. Now, where I'm going, yep. So this is about Jingle miner. So the miner what I got is called Just Miner X16 Q, all right? I don't know a lot, but I'm going to learn. So I'm away when I'm doing this video. I'm going to be away when you watch this video, and I'm going to set up in about 6-7 days time when you watch this video, and I will do a full video, you know, how was the setup process? Is it easy? Is it not? Is it noisy? Is it not? Because the noise is very low, the electricity is extremely low, and you're still earning some money. And again, don't forget, using my name, just tell her CryptoPhil send you. You're going to get the biggest discount and the fastest shipping to you, all right, all around the world, okay? And some kind of, depends of the country you live, you can pay tax or not. The custom tax, I didn't pay any, so that's the good stuff. All right, maybe I was lucky. Okay, so I got this miner right here. How long we are? We are just a couple of minutes. Yes, 2 minutes. So let me just drop this video. You watch it. Let's watch together. So this is the miner I got.
Finally, you're expecting Just Miner X16 Q has arrived, and right next to me. So stay with us, and here we go.
This is at 1.75 speed, if you ask him why it's so fast.
1950 megahash per second and 620 watts. Power efficiency is only 0.32 joules per megahash. As to memory, 8 GB, big enough. Moreover, 3 work modes to select: efficiency, balance, and performance.
Wow, it is incredible quiet. Just listen to it, around 50 decibels.
Want to set up? Easy peasy. Download the firmware, unzip it, locate your own JasMiner IP address, enter into the control page, copy and paste your wallet and mining address. Choose dual mining, submit. After 7 to 8 minutes, DAX loading, and you're ready to go.
Just Miner X16 Q comes out with an antenna. That's the unique wireless-enabled Just Miner in the entire lineup. At the same time, the wireless setup is incredibly easy. You don't have to prepare an Ethernet cable. The latest generation X16 Q miner is recommended as your first choice for home.
Alright, I think that's enough. So basically, this is the miner I got. I'm extremely excited, to be honest, because it's my first real miner. I have many digital nodes, but that's completely different. I'm going to connect this one, and I cannot wait to start working. Alright, I need to keep away on the side because the kid's going to destroy, so I have a special place where I'm going to put with isolation and all that stuff, and so on and so on. Alright guys, so we'll leave the link down in the description for the website, but again, if you want to go and check for any big discount and prices, make sure you use the contact what I'm going to leave down in the description. This is Lillian, the email. If you want to ask her anything, this is her straight email to her. Make sure you say CryptoPhil send you. Also, feel free to DM me and I'll give you her personal number for business, okay? Only for business. Don't send a naughty text. Now, and you can make sure you say CryptoPhil send you so you can get the biggest discount out there. Okay, there are many miners that have good discounts plus my discounts on the top of it. So I believe if you're interested for getting real miner and starting your miner experience, mining experience, maybe this is one of the best way I see in Dubai. Also, I'm going to meet this team in Singapore in token 2049 in September. Well, I'm very excited, and I will do a full AMA again with the latest update, and I'm going to share with you straight up. All right, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking. All the links will be down in the description. Let me know in the comment section, are you mining? Did you ever mine? Or you planning ever to mine some tokens with the real miners? Thank you so much. God bless, and I will see you in the next one.